Peace and blessings. My name is Angela Elizabeth with Goddess Body Incorporated. Today we're going to go into the 24K Goddess Glow. 24K Goddess Glow is a very beneficial blend for women, not only for aesthetics, not only for your hair, skin, and nails to be beautiful, supple, strong, but it also has powerhouse ingredients like gold and copper, and those mineral compounds are very holistic in nature. You see, over 5,000 years ago in ancient Kemet or in ancient Egypt, gold was used to help enhance the enlightenment experience, or to come about that experience. It helped to bring about mental, spiritual, and bodily purification. And there were purification ceremonies based just around gold itself. And there is gold, actual gold in the product, not gold flakes per se, but colloidal gold. And colloidal gold is known for those properties even still today. It'll help to heighten your awareness. It'll help to enhance your intuition so that you'll be more in alignment with what's for you and what's not, and listening to those thoughts and synchronicities that help to lead you down your path of purpose. And it helps to enlighten those faculties, because ultimately it helps to oxygenate, along with the other plants in the product, help to oxygenate the blood flow to your brain and oxygenate your blood in general. And your blood flows obviously through your brain, throughout the rest of your body. But that heightened level of oxygen combined with the mineral compounds of colloidal gold and the colloidal copper help to enhance the human experience to be more in connection with the divine. So as with all of our extracts, you take it under the tongue, you take it sublingually, and that way it goes straight into the bloodstream and bypasses the digestive system. So if you got any funky stuff going on there, it won't prohibit or minimize the effects of the product. It'll actually help it. And so you just take it sublingually, and so I will give you an example. Once you fill up the dropper, first you want to shake it up. And it's this pretty purple color because there is hibiscus in there, which is a major skin cleanser, which it actually helps to clear the liver and stimulate the liver, which ultimately clears the skin. So it does that, so it's a really pretty purple color. That, and when you blend it with the colloidal gold. So be careful because it can stain your outfit. So you fill up the dropper, and a full dropper is about 10 to 20 drops. And then you put it under your tongue. And our base for our extracts is vegetable glycerin. It's organic vegetable glycerin. It's not alcohol. So it's very sweet to taste. It's very yummy. It tastes like juice almost. So you can take that and you can start to feel the effects immediately, especially if you go into meditation or prayer. You can start feeling the effects immediately, and the more clean you eat, the better. You don't have to change your diet in order to see the benefits of this product, but like I said, the cleaner you eat, the healthier you eat, the more the product will be able to work with you and get deep down in the cells and do what it do. Some of the plants that are in the product are astragalus root, which is known to be an anti-aging herb. Astragalus actually gets down to the DNA level, and it helps the cell to reprogram on the DNA level the tips of the DNA. So over time, the DNA replicates, and that's how you can get a scratch. Your body grows scar tissue, and then next thing you know, it looks like the scratch was never there. That's the body's intelligence regenerating cells, and it does that by the DNA constantly replicating itself to create new cells. So over time, as you age or as you get older, these little caps on the DNA, they call it telomerase, they get smaller and smaller and smaller. So what astragalus does, it reverses that process, or it slows down the process. In some studies, it's seen to reverse it, but that's usually large amounts of astragalus. But astragalus in and of itself goes into that process and helps to minimize the caps of the DNA. If you think of like a cap on a shoelace, like when that little plastic cap comes off the shoelace, what happens? It gets all riveted, jacks up your shoelaces, jack up your whole look, jack up your whole life. You gotta get some new shoelaces. So what it does for the DNA is the same thing. It caps the DNA so it maintains that spiral helix, and in that helix has all the information for your life. Everything you could possibly think of, everything you don't know anything about, everything is in it. And so the more those caps are protected, the more ultimately your body is functioning at a more youthful, higher energetic level. And you're able to tap into your intuition more. You're also able to tap into the natural bodily process more effectively, meaning your metabolism gets higher or stays higher. And basically, it ultimately gives about a youthful rejuvenation. Basically, that's what astragalus does, and that's how it works. Another heavy hitter herb in here is harataki. Harataki is the golden fruit. So basically, when you use harataki, most people use it dry. It's very bitter, so that's how you know it's really, really good for you. It doesn't taste bitter in our blend though. It tastes really good. But you use a very small amount. You only need like one harataki dried fruit. It's about this big per gallon of whatever substance you're infusing it into. And most people, if you're just using harataki by itself, you just put it in a gallon of water and you can drink the water just like that. It's a bitter water and it cleanses out your system. But not only that, it helps with your third eye stimulation. And in physical terms, that's your pineal gland and your pituitary gland complex, that whole complex. It helps with decalcifying that, and it helps you to utilize that gland more to the ability of what we were able to use it before there was all this toxicity and pollution in the air. And that helps you with your visions, that helps you in your dream states, or to even recall your dreams if you don't recall dreams. And basically use different vibrations of reality into your life to better your life, so that you're more in tune with yourself per se and with nature. Harataki ultimately is a central nervous system stimulating herb as well, so it's going to help you with your focus, your concentration, and all that. And all of these herbs and plants help to ultimately bring more oxygen into the brain flow and bring more oxygen into the blood flow, which is going to not only cause you to be beautiful, hence the glow up from the 24K, and the other plants like the hibiscus that's going to clear your skin, that's going to make your hair more stronger, your hair follicles, and make you be able to not only to manifest more, but it'll help with the actual aesthetic of what you look like too. So the 24K Goddess Glow, the 24K Goddess Glow is available on our website. It's a very holistic product. You can focus on, you know, more so of the vibrational sense of it or the beauty aesthetic sense of it. Either way, you're going to get both in one bottle, ladies. So definitely check it out. www.goddessbody.net.